Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. First of all, guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And to begin, we will do our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. When you're ready, guys, open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. Let's begin by stretching up. And next we'll stretch down, touch our toes. Now let's go back up high. This time, can we go tippy toe high? Tippy toe. Hello. Hello. And next, we'll go back down and touch our toes. Back up to the sky, side to side. Gently, give our spine a little stretch. And then we'll go forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards. And now we'll go down into a little ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump! Okay, guys, and to finish, 3 claps. Have a seat. So welcome to today's math lesson. Can anybody tell me what we've been learning about in math recently? Mass. Mass, that's correct. Not math, mass. How do we spell mass?
M-A-S-S.
M A S S. And we've been learning about different units of mass. We've been learning about kilograms. How do we spell kilograms? I-L-O-G-R-A-M-S. Kilograms. And next we have H-G. How do we spell hectograms? H-E-C-T-O-J. Hectograms. And do you remember we learned about a unit of mass only used in Thailand? Keed. K-H. K-H-E-E-D. What was special about the relationship between hectograms and keed? The same. If you see 10 hectograms, how many keed? 10 keed. If you see 5 hectograms, how many keed? If you see 1,000,000 hectograms, 1,000,000 keys, always the same. And the final one, the smallest one, gram. How do we spell? Grams. Okay, how many grams in 1 kilogram?
1,000 grams.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. How many hectograms
10 hectograms.
in 1 kilogram?
10 hectograms.
10 hectograms. So if that means there are 10 hectograms, that means there must be 10 keys. And how many grams? 1,000 grams. Okay? One 1,000 grams. So what we have here, the beginning weight, 1 kilograms. Okay. So now I will write some units of mass on the board, but I will leave one out. I want somebody to come forward and complete it for me. Let's see. We'll do 50 hectograms. So if there are 50 hectograms, how many keyed must there be? Because they are always the same. But how many grams do we have down? Can you come and show me? Remember, 10 hectograms, 1,000 grams. So 50 hectograms.
5 kilograms. And 5,000 grams.
That's okay. 5. This column is for kilograms. That's correct.
5,000 grams.
Excellent. So how many kilograms?
5 kilograms.
How many hectograms?
50 hectograms.
How many keyed?
50 key.
And how many grams?
5,000 grams.
Is that right, guys?
Yes.
Can I get a high five? Round of applause for down. We'll do one more on the board just to review the relationship between units of mass. This time I will use, we'll start with the biggest. 25 kilograms. And that's all I want to write here. I don't want to write anymore. What's our starting weight? 25 kilograms. So I invite Prel to come forward. And first of all, how many hectograms? But don't forget, you can...
50 hectograms.
1 kilogram, 10 hectograms.
250 hectograms.
Excellent, guys. How many keys?
250 keys.
The same. Okay. You can turn that to a K. Okay, and then G. No, G. Kilo. Key. Yes.
25,000 grams.
So now grams.
25,000.
Excellent. The rate of conversion from kilogram to grams is 1,000. 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. So 25 kilograms, how many grams? 25,000 grams. Okay. So Prel, how many kilograms did we start with?
25 kilograms.
How many hectograms does that give us?
250 hectograms.
How many keys?
250 keys.
The same. Hectograms, keyed, the same. And how many grams? 25,000 grams. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Prel. Remember, guys, the rate of conversion from kilograms to hectograms is 10 times by 10. 25 times 10, 250. But the rate of conversion from kilogram to grams is 1,000. 1 kilogram, how many grams?
1,000 grams.
So 25 kilograms, how many grams?
25,000 grams.
Always times or multiply by 25 or by 1,000. Okay, round of applause. Now we're going to move on. We're still talking about mass, but we're going to learn how to work out word problems. Can we say word problems? One more time, word problems.
Word problems.
Okay, and now we've got a video and a PowerPoint presentation for us to view. So everybody turn to look at the TV screen, guys. So first of all, guys, let's have a look at the video about word problems
Word problems.
for mass.
If you have bought everything, I can help you put that in your bag.
Thanks, Amber. My bag can carry the maximum weight of 10 kgs and 500 grams. I don't know if we can put everything in the bag.
We will add, multiply and subtract weights to figure that out. Just tell me the weight of all the things you have bought.
I'll write them for you. I have 6 650 grams of salt, 3 packets of rice. Each packet is 2 kgs and 25 grams. And vegetable basket is 2 kgs and 350 grams.
Great! See, now we will calculate the total weight of all the things. But we will first calculate the total weight of rice. To know the weight of rice, we will multiply 2 kilograms and 25 grams with 3. First, we multiply grams. That is 25 multiplied by 3 is equal to
75. Very
Then
good.
We will multiply kilograms. So, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6.
6.
This means that total weight of rice is
6 kilograms, 75 grams.
We will add the weight of all items. Let's write all grams in one column and kilograms in the other. We will first add grams and then kilograms. So, we first need to add 75, 300 and 650 grams. And then we will add kilograms. So, 75 plus 300 plus 650 is equal to 1025 grams. Basically, we have 1000 grams plus 25 grams or 1 kilogram plus 25 grams. We will write 25 in the grams column and carry over 1 kilogram to the kilograms column.
And now we will just add the kilograms. So 1 plus 6
Plus 2,
is equal to 9.
9 kilograms.
So the total weight is 9 kgs and 25 grams.
Hey Kitty, you can carry these items in your bag. Actually, you can carry some grapes also if you want. I will just tell you how much grapes you can carry.
Wow! But how will you do that?
Oh, it's simple. We will just subtract the total weight of items from the maximum weight you can carry in your bag. That is, we will subtract 9 kilograms and 25 grams from 10 kilograms and 500 grams. Let's first subtract grams. 500 minus 25 is
475 grams.
Now we will subtract kilograms. So 10 minus 9 is
1 kilogram. So they have space for 1 kilogram.
1 kg and
475 grams.
of grapes. Yippee!
It's time for a recap. Addition, subtraction and multiplication of mass can be used to solve real life problems.
Any questions, guys? Okay, so let's look at our PowerPoint presentation. Word problems for mass. Problem number 1. Okay, the table shows the mass of 4 dogs. How much does Casper weigh?
26 kilograms.
Rusty weighs,
15 kilograms.
Oliver weighs,
42 kilograms.
and Bumper So what we're asked to do is, what is the difference between the mass of the lightest and heaviest dog? So which is the heaviest dog? Oliver is 42 kilograms. Which dog is lightest? Which dog has the lightest mass?
15 kilograms.
Rusty. So what we need to do, we need to take 15 kilograms, the lightest dog, away from 42 kilograms, which is the heaviest dog. That will give us the difference. So 42 minus 15 is 27 what? 27 kilograms. Very good, guys. Well done. You see, 42 kilograms minus 15 kilograms. You've already worked out the answer.
27 kilograms.
Next one. Problem number 2. Maya weighs 30 kilograms, 6 hectograms. July is 4 kilograms, 5 hectograms heavier than Maya. So what is July's mass? What do we need to do? We have to take Maya's weight or mass and add how much heavier July is. So we have 30 kilograms, 6 hectograms. And then we need to add 4 kilograms, 5 hectograms. And that gives us a total of 34 kilograms or 11 hectograms. But we can say, ready guys, when we have 11 hectograms, it makes another kilo. So our answer, ready, 35 kilograms, 1 hectogram. You see, that's the total weight or mass of July. One more time, 35 kilograms, 1 hectogram. And problem number 3. How many grams? Look at the needle. Okay, so we start, where do we start? 0. What's the total amount? Excellent. So the total is 100 grams. But each mark in between 0 and 10, 10 and 20 is 5. So we go 0, 5, 10, 15. Then 20, what comes here? 25.
100.
Excellent, guys. So look at our needle. Where is our needle indicating? Between 10 and 20.
15.
15 grams. How about if the needle was here? Between 50 and 60, 55. And here would be 95. Excellent, guys. Well done. You see the needle is here. 10 grams plus another 5 grams equals
15 grams.
well done. Round of applause. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video and the PowerPoint presentation of the various word problems we can do with maths, addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. But now, guys, it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, push in our chairs. And we'll begin by putting our hands on our head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Let's do it one more time, but this time, let's do it quickly. Are you ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, And to finish, 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So what have we been learning about? What was the PowerPoint presentation about? And what type of problems? How do we spell word? O-R-D. Word. Problems. P-R-O-E-L-E-M-S. Mass. Word problems. Okay. This is my set of scales. Remember, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay? Can we remember what the marks in between represent? 5. So we have 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. We don't have 105. Our total is 100. Let me see. What fruit? For in red.
Orange.
How many?
3.
3 O-R-A-N-G-E-S. 3 oranges have a mass of how many grams? 3 oranges. 90 grams. Okay? Altogether, 3 oranges have a mass of 90 grams. But now I have a question. What is the mass of 2 So let's think. 3 oranges. First, 3 oranges. Kilograms. 90 grams. They'd be very big oranges if they were 90 kilograms. So 3 oranges have a mass of 90 grams. What is the mass of 2 oranges?
60 grams.
Excellent. If I take away 1 orange, the needle will go to
60
kilograms, grams. You see? So, what is the mass of 2 oranges? 2 have a mass of 60 grams. And finally, how many oranges now? 1 orange. If we have 1 of something, we don't need S. So, what is the mass of 1 orange? What is the mass of 1 orange? 1 orange. 1 orange has a mass of 30 grams. So where should I put the needle? Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
Yes.
So one more time, all together. What is the mass of 1 orange? 1 orange has a mass of 30 grams. Can we say one more time? Grams. Excellent, guys. Well done. Welcome back to class. It's now time for the worksheet activity. So teachers, what you need to do is print one off for each of your students. Your students need to look at the various scales. First of all, we have oranges, carrots, and a rabbit. Your students need to work through the various questions and look at the needle and ask themselves, like we've done on the board, if 3 oranges weighs this much, how much does 1 orange weigh? Or I think apples, not oranges, apples. Okay? What's the first thing we must do, guys? Okay, so Nadia. Down. Pat. Lackout. Shu, you're welcome.
Thank you, Teacher Rich.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Teachers, there's quite a few questions, so give your students around 15 minutes to complete this activity. And if they need any help or assistance, that's what you're there for. Help them. So first of all, guys, 3. So first question, what is the mass of the 3 apples? We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. But we're just above 400. So what do we think? Yes. So the first question, what is the mass of the 3 apples? Thunder.
1.
See the needle, where's the needle? So first of all we start 0. What are we working out in? Grams. 100.
200, 300, 400.
But we're just above 400. 410. Excellent. Well done, Prel. So the first one, just above 400. Not quite 400, 410. And then, for question number 2, what is the mass of the 3 carrots? And remember, with the carrot scale, it starts with 200 grams, 400 grams, or between 400 and 600 grams. Okay. So the mass of the 3 carrots. So let's see. So start at 0, 200, 400, 600. So what's between 400 and 600? 400, 500. Well done. Well worked out. The mass of the carrots in between 400 and 600 grams. Remember before when we worked out between 40 and 50 was 45. So between 400 and 500, 450. We just add another 0. So the mass of the carrots, 500 grams. You see? Almost 400, not quite. Here would be 450, here 410.
12.
Yes, and here 200, 400, 600. So between 400 and 600. 4.
450.
What's between 4 and 5? Between 4 and 6. 400.
And 450.
Between 4, if we have 4, 6, what number comes here? 5. So where's the needle? 500.
Grams.
So what's the mass of the 3 carrots?
500 grams.
Excellent. High five. Perfect. And then the rabbit. Wow. How can we work out the rabbit? Let me see. I'll show an idea. Okay. So here, 900 grams. 300, 600, 900, 1,200. See, it's going up 300 each time. The mass of the 3 carrots, 200, 400. We go from 0 to 200, so 200,
400.
400, 600. So here what we can do. What's between 400 and 600? 200, 400, 600. What number's between 4 and 6?
50.
Not 50. 400,
500.
500. Excellent, black gal, brilliant. High five. Doing really good. Chu, how are you doing? Okay, doing well. Keep going. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Excellent. So what's the mass of the rabbit? 1,200 grams. Or we could say 1 kilogram, 200 grams. That's right. You're right. But remember, when we get 1,000 kilograms, we could say 1 kilogram, 200 grams. Both ways are right. Okay?
What's the
Mass of 2 apples. So what's the mass of 3 apples?
105 grams?
So to take away 1 apple, what do they weigh? What's the mass of? Okay, 3 apples, 410 grams. So 410 divide by 3.
305 and
So let's see. 3 apples, 410. 410 divided by 3. What does that weigh? You need to divide and then you understand the mass of 2 apples. Okay, give me your pencil. So the mass of 3 apples, 410 grams. 1, 2, 3. So divide by 3. So each apple will weigh 136 grams. So then we need to know 2 apples. So 136 times 2. So there's your weight of 2 apples. 272 grams. Okay. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity. For teachers, I think for this activity, you'll have to provide quite a bit of assistance because some of the questions are quite hard, particularly the later ones. But my students all did very well. So round of applause, guys. And what is it that we learnt about today? Maths. And in particular, word problems. And we learn again in the next lesson. But for now, that's the end of this lesson. We hope you've enjoyed it, found it interesting, and also had fun. So we'll see you again for the next lesson real soon. Can we wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye.